Hello everyone, my name is XuShuo. Today I will introduce Central Wanzai Bypass Tunnel Project, Safety and Healthy Dimension. This is today's content. First is the introduction. Second is the implementation of occupational safety and healthy measures. Finally, I will talk about how Central Wanzai Bypass Project created safety and healthy working environment in work sites. Apart from overcoming the construction challenges, the Central Wanzai Bypass Project, as one of the major construction projects in Hong Kong, is committed to creating a safe and caring working environment to equal with the credo, go to work cheerfully and return home safely. In this issue, I will introduce some occupational safety and healthy measures implemented here. Promoting occupational safety and health is one of the core missions shared among the highway departments, the engineering consultant, and the constructors since the commencement of the Central Wanzai Bypass project in 2009. To achieve this, the three parties have worked together closely and put in significant resources. Now let's take a look on several OSH measures launched for the project team below. First is the promotion. To enhance the safety awareness and encourage the project team to pay attention to safety and health issues. Central Wanzai Bypass Project has launched different award sections and promotional championships. With the active engagement and encouragement of management, the project team are also encouraged with rewards to provide recommendations for improving the on-site safety measures, hence motivating every team member to be a promoter of site safety. Next is a diversified training. Different types of safety training are arranged for the project team regularly to deliver the OSH messages in diversified approach to cope with various challenges in the project. Tailor-made trainings are also offered to the construction site environment. Besides the safety audit required by the law, Central Wanzai Bypass has introduced cross-contract safety audit regularly to enhance the safety management. Moreover, permit systems are implemented to ensure high-risk activities in Central Wanzai Bypass project are carried out in accordance with the safety requirements. For example, every worker entering or working in a confined spaces shall be a certified worker with a valid certificate of confined spaces. Besides this, TOLI system is used for checking the qualification of certified workers and as means of access control to the tunnel work site for entry and departure of workers. Next is about healthy concerns. For assuring the staff to be medically fit to work, elder staff or staff with high blood pressure are required to provide pre-employment medical report. Besides, regular healthy conditions monitoring is provided to them upon joining the Central Wanzai Bypass team. Sport facilities are also set up in work site to promote healthy lifestyle. Next part is about support to newcomers to share safety values. Since project commencement, Central Wanzai Bypass has continued to attract new blood, including young people and newcomers to the construction industry. In order to acquaint the newcomers with new working environment, orientation courses would be provided, while the experienced worker would offer mentoring and sharing of their experiences. Besides, the project team also endeavored to enhance the construction workers' awareness on site safety through safety talks and various promotional championships, such as displaying banners with slogans on work safety on site. This is all for OSH measures. Next part is about how to create a safe and healthy working environment. Among the various major infrastructure projects currently in progress in Hong Kong, the Central Wanzai Bypass project needs to overcome not only the difficulties of general construction works, but also the challenges of tunnel works in confined spaces with potential hazards. So this section, I would like to share how the project team provides a safe and healthy working environment for workers. Firstly, I will introduce the confined spaces under the Central Wanzai Bypass project. All tunnel work areas of the Central Wanzai Bypass project are classified as confined spaces. Worker safety is always the top priority in daily operations. The project team appoints competent persons to carry out risk assessment for working in confined spaces and make recommendations on relevant safety and healthy measures. In accordance with the factories and industrial undertaking regulations, regular safety talks are also organized to enhance workers' awareness and vigilance on working in confined spaces. The final part of this presentation is about some safety precautions in tunnel work sites. Firstly, to create a safe environment, all uncombustible materials and stagnant water should be removed from the immediately vicinity of welding workers, so as to reduce the risk of fire and electric shock. The ventilation system maintains fresh air supply and remove exhaust air. As for gas detection, the real-time monitoring system used by the Central Wanzai Bypass project mainly tests for carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen, and the lower explosive limit. In case of accidents or emergencies, buzzer system and intercom system are used for emergency evacuation and communication. The isolation system is designed for fire hazard. Barriers or gates should be erected at the entries of the tunnel work sites to prevent the entries of any materials which are labeled to create a hazard. Finally is the lighting facilities. Green lights are used to indicate the workway. Provision of adequate lighting facilities for tunnel without natural lights. Thanks for listening. This is the end of the presentation. Welcome for any questions.